Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload audio. This feature is useful when you want to bring your own recording, melody, instrumental idea, or sound sample into Suno and use it as the starting point for a new music project. Before we begin, it's important to know that audio upload in Suno is a paid feature. So if you don't see the option right away, that may simply mean your current plan doesn't include it. Knowing that in advance can save you time and help you understand why the feature might not appear on your screen. You can check your current subscription and compare the available plans if you need access to the upload tool. To upload audio into Suno, start by going to the Create page. This is the main area where you prepare and generate your music. So, once you're there, you'll be in the right place to begin the upload process. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you recently upgraded your plan. From the Create page, look for the Audio Upload button. In many cases, this will be the most direct way to bring your own sound into the platform. Click that button to start selecting your file. Your clip could contain a simple melody, a vocal idea, a guitar progression, a beat, or another original sound that you want to develop further. If you don't immediately see a separate upload button, there's another way to access the same feature. Switch to Custom mode and then select Audio. That will take you to the upload option from within the custom creation workflow. Custom mode can also give you more control over the other details of your project, such as the lyrics and musical direction. When you're choosing your file, make sure your audio clip is between 6 and 60 seconds long. That length requirement is important because Suno only accepts clips within that range for this feature. If your file is too short or too long, you may need to trim it first before trying again. It's a good idea to check the duration in advance so the upload goes smoothly. You should also use a commonly supported audio format and make sure the file plays correctly before uploading it. Once you've selected a valid clip, upload it into Suno. At this stage, the key thing is simply making sure the file is accepted and properly added through the Create page. If the platform processes the clip without any issue, then you're ready to continue with your project. After the upload is complete, review the selected file before moving forward so you don't accidentally use the wrong recording. From there, a helpful tip is to use a clear audio sample that matches what you want Suno to work from. Since you're providing the source audio, cleaner input usually makes the process easier and gives you a better starting point. Try to reduce background noise, long silences, clipping, and unwanted sounds. A focused sample with one clear musical idea will usually be easier to build from than a crowded recording containing several unrelated sections. Also, if you're testing the feature for the first time, try a short clip that's comfortably within the allowed range rather than something right at the limit. For example, a clean 15 or 20-second sample gives you enough material to test the workflow while keeping the file simple and manageable. Once you understand how the feature responds to your audio, you can experiment with longer and more detailed clips. So, to recap in a simple way, go to the Create page, click Audio Upload, or open Custom mode and choose Audio. Then, upload a clip that's between 6 and 60 seconds long. And remember, this feature is only available on a paid plan. Before uploading, check the clip's duration, sound quality, and content so you have the best possible starting point. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.